Hi everybody, welcome back. Today is the last day we will be working with the October Mini Kit Monday kit. I've really had a lot of fun, but I can tell when I only have 2 or 3 colors to work with that I kind of burn out quickly. So I'm kind of excited to be putting this away for a while and working with something else. But I have enjoyed this collection. These are some super old photos of some coworkers and me way back when, and I've been going through a lot of my older products and my photos and getting them scrapped. So I pulled these out since it was a Halloween, and I am going to use, I had pulled this sketch out to use, but I kind of like this one better, and it has the 3 photos. So I think I'm going to go with that one. We'll have to see. They're both super adorable. So if I don't use the one, maybe I can take my scraps and make another base page or something. Who knows? We'll see what we'll come up with, because I have a lot of scraps. And I did use sequins in my last one, and at first I was like, I don't know if I like sequins, but once I finished, walked away, came back, I was like, oh, okay, I think I like them. So we're going to use some sequins again. Put those over there. Hopefully put some Nouveau drops on there. And one of the great things about finally cutting into your paper is that you have lots of scraps. So I have lots of scraps for this layout. I probably will be bringing in a black or a yellow. I haven't decided on what paper I'm going to use. Probably this one is my matte. Woo! That was exciting. And we have some other scraps here. And we have a plaid here. Oh, that's super cute too. So we'll have to see what I come up with. So hang on and we'll be right back. Good morning, everyone. So this super simple, quick and easy layout took me a long time. It ended up being the layout that I lost something, and then my ATG emptied out, so I had to put new tape in it. It was just one of those things. And the thing that I was missing was this little A right here, which I didn't think was going to be a problem, but when everything is monochromatic in the same color, you have a little problem. I ended up dropping it on the floor and it landed sideways in the carpet and I could not see it. But I found it, but oh, it was very frustrating. This is my sketch and it is a super quick and easy one, but unless you have situations like I do, and then it's going to take you a little bit longer. So this is an old photo group here that I did when I was in the working field. I'm still in the working field, but this is an old boss and a coworker. This is my Nana and my boss. We were always doing things like this, my Nana and I, and our boss showed up at Halloween as the Hunchback in Notre Dame, and we could not even believe he did it. It was like so funny, because he usually, I mean, he's an accountant. I mean, most accountants don't do that kind of thing. At least this one didn't. So anyways, I'm just kind of, these little eyeballs are from a sticker sheet that I did pull in. This is a super old one. My daughter-in-law was asking me about sticker pages and how to store stickers and stuff, and so as we were looking at everything, I pulled these out and I was like, oh, those would be really cute on the page. So you never know what's going to lead to something else. Don't let me forget those, you guys, because I got to put this die down here. I love this die. It is, I'm not sure if it's a Tim Holtz, because I repackage everything, but this is the die, and I have used this thing for so many different things, and I love it. It is kind of a bummer to get all the little pieces out, but if you kind of let it drop on the table a couple of times, most of them do come out, and then there's the occasional stray. But this is really, really a very versatile die. I love it, love it, love it. But anyways, back to my layout, and then I just cut it in. The die Sorry, I'm trying to find my words this morning. I just cut this die in half, and then I just kind of started cutting out other little pieces and rounding it so it didn't look so cut off. I know that sounds kind of weird. So anyways, have you guys been having fun playing with oh, isn't this the thing? The last time I was having troubles getting the glue out, and then it wasn't sticking, so yeah. You probably can't even see me do that, huh? Anyways, have you all been playing with Mini Kit Monday, ladies? I hope so, because you would have just gotten 3 layouts done. And I'm not putting a whole lot of that on there yet until I get my die cut on there. I want to make sure I have room for my little googly eyes. And I will do, as Janet calls it, the bend test, which I will go back and make sure, and I'll just kind of bend my little papers. I want to make sure my little googly eyes are like sticking out because we want to be frightened. Okay, yeah, see, these were the ones I knew I was going to forget. And it does introduce a new color, but I'm okay with that. I probably should have went down just a little bit more, but we're not going to worry about it. We're not going to worry about it. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. And then I had a little ghosty that I had cut out. I do want to pop that up on some foam tape. We are heading into November already. I cannot believe how fast time is going. It's crazy. It's crazy. I know everybody's gearing up for the holidays, which is one of my favorite times of year. I think it's because there's more family activity and that type of thing. Plus it's colder. Don't like the heat. I like snow. Yes, I'm one of them. You probably can't even see anything I'm doing. I'm just putting foam tape on this. And I am having a blast getting all these older photos done. I think I have a plan, actually. Boo. So, there we go. I think everything is ready. Oh, I was telling you guys about the bend test. So, at the end of the layout, when I'm cleaning up my giant mess, I will take my layout. Oh, please. There we go. And just a second, I have to put this back on because I will forget. And then that's when we have giant issues. Or we'll try to put it on. Oh, my Lanta. It's early in the morning here. There we go. So the bend test. So Janet will take her layout and then she'll do a bend. And see all those little things that are popping off right there? She will take a little bit of glue and she will just get them all to be stuck down. And it's amazing because it honestly does really help your layout. And it just, I don't know, just makes it feel super solid. Super solid. So I hope you guys join the Mini Kit Monday ladies. There's Traci, Becky, Kathy, and Dolly. And I will have their links below. I hope you guys joined in and had some fun. This weekend is Halloween. I hope you guys are making some memories and having fun. You guys have a super great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.